Hi guys, and welcome back to yet another series of DigiGuru. And so this time I've tried something new to the way to record. And from today, 365 challenge is on from my side. Like every day, one video on digital marketing you'd be getting on my channel. And if I talk about today's topic, I would be a little bit talking about the custom conversions, which is there on Facebook. Many students, after completing even the entire Facebook, they somewhere confused that why is the custom conversion used for. Somewhere they get confused the custom conversion with custom audience. So just to clarify between these two, a custom conversion is used to track a specific set of activities, whether it is being done on our website or not, right? Whereas custom audience is an audience that we define or that we design to for remarketing, right? There are 9 standard sets of events for which we use custom conversion to track. Now, what is the benefit of custom conversion? Uh, Many times it happens that there are certain activities on our website that we are not able to track, or we are not able to measure whether that activity has happened or not, right? In order to measure or track those kind of activities, whether they are happening on my website or not, we use a custom conversions tracker on our website, so that whenever that activities happened, the pixels get triggered. So in order to make a custom conversion, we basically use the pixel code only. Like we go to the Facebook custom conversion module, and there we select the specific out of the 9 standard set of event, which kind of event do we want to use as a custom conversion, and then we change the Facebook pixel, and then accordingly we customize the Facebook pixel, right?